Okay, in this video we're going to have a quick run through of scheduling your posts for picture posts in Metricool. So Metricool is a platform that you use for scheduling your social media posts. You can schedule it for any social media platform in advance. So it's good to get ahead and to plan out your schedule when you've got time for posts to be posted in the future. When you log into Metricool, you'll have your connections dashboard. So this tells you every social media platform that you have connected. So your Facebook page, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, etc. all listed there. We're going to click on planning at the top and it will bring up a calendar. So any posts that you've got scheduled to go out already via Metricool will appear in your calendar when it loads. I'll give it a minute to load up. Now, you have a set amount on the free plan of posts to use, and it will tell you how many you've got left, or you can upgrade to the next plan up. So in the calendar, you will see any posts which are scheduled to go out in the future. And what it will do is, if you click on best times for whatever platform, it will tell you the best time to post on that platform. It will colour it in basically, so you know what the best time is. Let's cancel that at the moment. Okay, so you want to schedule your post. So we say we want to schedule a post on Monday and we want it to go out at 7 in the morning. So we click on there. Now, as a general rule, before work, lunchtime and after work is the best time to schedule on social media, as a very general rule. So actually we're going to say we want to do it for 7 PM at night on Monday. And it opens your window here to start putting your post together. So here you select what platforms you want that post to go out on. So I'm going to click here because I want it to go out on Twitter. Here because I want it to go out on Facebook as a post. Here because I want it to go out on Instagram as a post. Here because I want it to go out on my Google business profile. I don't want it to go out on Pinterest. And because it's not a video, I don't want to put it out on TikTok or YouTube either at the moment. Here confirms the date and time that it's going to be scheduled for. And this is a box where you write your post. So I've just put together a post using good old ChatGPT. It's just a test post, so let's go and copy that and put that in there. Okay, so I've got my post, my text, whatever it is that you've done, and you can edit it in here, put lines in it, type it out from scratch, whatever you want to do, but this is just to show you how it works. Because it's going out on Instagram, we need to put a picture with it. So you click on your picture icon down here and it says add image. We click select from computer. And let's find the image that we're going to use. So because it's a test, I'm just going to use this image. There we go, so my image is there. And if we want to see what this is going to look like on the different platforms, you come over to the right, you can see what it's going to look like. You can flick between the different platforms and it will show you a preview, so you can make sure your line spacing's right and it's how you want it to look. And there we go. Okay. Now you can also add, as you can tell, videos, stock images, etc. to it. You can add emojis. You can add hashtags. So this is for social media. So you can type in your hashtags or you can search hashtags there to add to your posts. You can add the first comment on your post, so it automatically creates the first comment. So that can be to add extra information or read more or links, etc. to add to the comment. You can add your location. And down here are some other presets. Make sure auto publish is on, so it does actually publish it for you on that date and time. Now we've got two warnings down here. One is at Twitter, it says the maximum number of characters allowed is 280. and the business profile. So that means our post is over that maximum. So what we then do is we come to here, edit by network, and then it will give you a tab for each network. So the ones that have got a problem have a little red symbol on. So we know there's a problem with Twitter, so we click on Twitter here and we say we want to edit the contents, and this will edit just the content of this post that's going out on Twitter. So for Twitter, I know that I can take, to get it down to size, I'm just going to delete the extra. Now obviously you're formatted properly and adjust it to how you want it to be on Twitter, but to show you for this, that's what I'm going to do. And you can see now we're under the 280 characters, the little red warning's gone off. So let's do the same for Google Business Profile now, because that was over as well. So we click on there and edit content. And again, because this is just a test, I'm just going to delete a portion, but you can narrow it down, reword it, whatever you want to do to make it fit if your post is too long. That's all I'm going to do. Now, when I'm happy with that, I've got no warnings here. I've got my image, I've got my wording, I've got my platforms. I then click on save. And that's it, it's saved, it's in the calendar. It'll bring it up as a different post to go on different platforms. If you do need to go and edit, click on it and you can edit it. What you can also do is if you change your mind about when you want it to be scheduled, you can drag and drop these to a different day to schedule them. So say I actually want it to go out on the Tuesday. I could drag and drop them over to the Tuesday and that will automatically change it over. But from here on in, Metricool will publish these as planned on the day that you want. Now in this video we haven't showed you about videos for TikTok and YouTube, etc. That will be coming in a different video where we'll look at posting via Metricool. It's done in a very similar way, videos up on those platforms as well. But that is how you schedule a post in Metricool.